GD10000 Super Simulated Mannequin Assembling. After unboxing, place the super simulated mannequin torso and lower body flat on a tabletop. Remove the screws on both sides of the indicated areas on the upper body. Bring the upper and lower parts of the super simulated mannequin body close together so that the screw holes align. Then, insert the screws through both holes simultaneously and tighten them. Repeat the same operation on both sides. In the upper body, locate the transparent tubes of the same color and connect them by twisting them tightly. The tubes are identified as blue, green, and white respectively. In both the upper and lower body parts, locate a set of wires each. Connect them according to their size and interface shape. There are a total of 6 wires to be connected. Next, connect the left 1 wires from the upper body to the circuit board. Locate the yellow transparent tube and connect it by twisting it tightly. One end of the yellow transparent tube should be connected to the abdominal component. Place the lower part of the abdomen into the simulated human, ensuring that the stomach of the simulated human is positioned above the lower part of the abdomen. Then, cover the upper part of the abdomen with the skin. Press the power button located on the leg of the super simulated mannequin to start it up. Computer connection. Find the wireless router and connect the power cord from the router to a power outlet. Turn on the computer and insert the USB drive into the computer. Open the software and follow the steps to open the interface. GD100 Simulative Multi-Parameter Monitor Connection. Connect the power cord to J100 and the power outlet. Connect the data transmission cable as shown. Turn on the power. Click to display. Connect the pulse oximeter cable to J100 and super simulated mannequin. Connect the ECG cable to J100 and super simulated mannequin. GD-J880 Simulation of Defibrillator Connection. Connect the power cord to J880 and the power outlet. Connect the defibrillator simulated serial line to the integrated transfer equipment and super simulated mannequin. Connect the pacing connection line to J880 and super simulated mannequin. Connect the standard lead connecting line to J880 and super simulated mannequin. Turn on the power and start the J880 simulation of defibrillator connection. Injection pump connection. Connect the power cord to the injection pump and the power outlet. Place the syringe. Connect the injection pump simulated serial line to the integrated transfer equipment. Turn on the power. Start up the injection pump and adjust the values. Select the drugs to inject in the software. Infusion pump connection. Connect the power cord to the infusion pump and the power outlet. Place the infusion bag. Connect the infusion pump simulated serial line to the integrated transfer equipment. Start up the infusion pump and adjust the values. Select the drugs to transfuse in the software. Thank you for choosing us. If you would like to know more about us, you are welcome to contact us by following ways.